Hi everyone, welcome back to the best practice at home on hearing and speech disorder. Today we'll be working on listening, stage 2, few of the practical sessions. So I have few points to discuss on the practical sessions. That's about creating of activities, working on the categories and playing with the concepts. Also name, place, animal, thing, and also we'll be working on few of the objects to place in sequences and introducing with new objects. To start with, we'll be working for today on activities. So I will have my daughter with me to work on activities. We'll be assigning few of the tasks to work with her. From this task, they will be listening the task and they will be performing. Dhanvi, could you please come here?
Yeah.
So I have a toy. Her name is Rosie, and I'll assign my daughter to leave to take her for school. Dhanvi, could you please? Rosie is sleeping in the night, so could you please wake her up and make ready and send her to school?
Rosie,
Yes.
you want to?
She will get up early in the morning. She will brush her
You
teeth.
want to go to the toilet?
Yeah, she will go to toilet and then she will brush her teeth, wash her face, take bath.
And eat. And
Dry her hair.
and comb.
Yeah, dress her with a uniform.
Eat dinner.
Not dinner. She will eat breakfast. She will eat her breakfast
Eat the breakfast.
and then
Start to go to the school.
she starts to go to school. So in this activity she will be learning the daily routine, what an individual child will perform. So this is how, if you have a small child, probably you can use some other kind of activities. For example, a baby bathing. Baby is bathing and you can introduce with the primary parts, head, hand, legs, and then come to the secondary parts, face, eyes, nose, etc. While playing, you can tell them wash the head, wash your hands, wash her legs, something like this. So these are the set of activities. So from this they will enjoy to listen the task and they will enjoy to play. So let's move on to the next. That's about the storytelling. Storytelling also plays a very important role in listening. So here I have a story book. I have chosen Pepper Gets a New Pet. This is a story. If I start reading with the daughter, they may feel bored. So what I did is I have used some set of props. It's a homemade with paper, or you can also make
Camera.
you like camera? Okay. Or you can also use some set of props with the connectors which I connected, and this type of connectors which you can connect and make something cage. So before we proceed with the child how to work on the stories, I'll just brief you out about the story. In this story we have Pepper and a mother. Mother will be getting a new pet for the Pepper, and mother wants to feed a water to the Pepper, but Pepper wants to feed water to the bird, but Pepper forgets and bird will faint. And mother will say to Pepper that you should not forget to feed the bird, and when you have a pet at home you should take good care of them. So that's about the story. I'll be enacting the same story with my daughter, and let's see how the child will react. So, hi Pepper.
Hi,
I have a new pet at home. Its name is Budgie.
Budgie, can you sing for me?
Pepper, Budgie cannot sing for you now. He can sing, but once you feed him some water, he can sing. I'll give him some water.
Mama, I want to eat.
You want to give him water? Okay, you can give him. I will go for now. So Pepper starts playing with another toy. In between, he forgets to give water.
No pet is coming in the TV.
Yeah. Pepper, did you see what Budgie is doing?
Oh, Budgie fell down.
Budgie fell down.
Mama, Budgie died.
No, Budgie will not die. Keep it aside. Budgie will not die because I guess you have. Why the dish is empty?
I know it was her water.
You're not given him water. Let us feed him some water. So he should be alright in some time now. Okay, so when you have pet at home, you should take
Careful.
good care of them. Thank you, Dhanvi. Thanks for coming here. You can go now. So this how.
Bye.
Bye bye. This is how we play with the child with respect to the story, and then you can ask them some questions like to make sure that they have listened. For example, who was crying in the story? Why did Pepper forget to give water? Some these are the examples of questions. So if you like this information is helpful, I would request you to please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.